Oh, yeah, so I think your use of color is great. I like your brush strokes, especially with how the focal point sort of vibrates with the lines and stuff. Um, yeah, I like your brush strokes.
I agree. Yeah, the color is cool. It's effective. Good work. I feel like it could use more trees though, like on the outer frame, just to like bring out the focal point more. Yeah, so more trees.
Yeah, focal point. Bloody red moon. Did did you use real blood?
No.
Huh. The setting just looked familiar. That's all.
I'm wondering why you chose to do this particular moon. And why over a stream?
Well, I just explained it.
Yeah, I know, but like why this moon? A red moon by a stream? Like I'm just wondering what your intentions were.
What?
I don't know. I mean, like, given this moon's complicated history, I'm just like wondering what were your intentions? I feel like you have failed to consider some of the implications in the visuality of your piece.
I'm not sure what you're
and
trying.
oh, sorry to interrupt.
It's fine. Go ahead.
I mean, yeah, like going off Zaya's point, I think the moon has become an emotionally charged image. I mean, like all the violence and stuff that happens, isn't it like 80% of incidents happen during a full moon?
It's actually closer to 90%, and those are only the cases that have been documented. You know, Raoul. Culturally speaking, there's a significant correlation between werewolves and the full moon, wolf packs, wolves howling at the moon. Honestly, when I look at a full moon, I fear for my life. Most people do. I find your painting problematic because it seems like an appropriation of a traumatic experience that isn't yours.
It's landscape painting.
That doesn't make it apolitical, specifically when there's a full moon involved. Also, you painted the stream by campus where Ruby was when she... Yeah, I'm just really not sure what you're trying to say here. Like, does your work even engage with the current discourse on werewolves?
I don't know. There's an obvious lack of nuanced reflection here. I'm sorry, but I think certain subject matter shouldn't be approached with such thoughtlessness.
It wasn't thoughtless. Werewolves aren't real.
Hungry, hungry, hungry. We are getting hungry. We want something good to eat. A feast with lots of meat. Hungry, hungry, hungry. We are getting hungry.
Hooray! Some meat! A bite to eat!
This is what the sky looked like.
Ruby? Ruby? Where are you? She didn't disappear, she was eaten.
He was a tall, thin outline of a man. He had surprising strength. He was alone and eating savagely. Then he documented the moon. I'm not sure. I mean, maybe. He looked college aged.
I don't know any werewolves. I have no idea who it could be.
I'm scared the werewolf's gonna eat me next. Werewolves don't exist.
Anyone who says werewolves don't exist is probably a werewolf himself. Also, the werewolf is Will Crawler.
Will Crawler?
Who? Will Crawler? Ew.
It's Will Crawler!
I don't know who that is. Yeah, he's the worst. He's the most pretentious, crazy,
He punched me at a party once.
filthy. I've actually never met him. I just feel like I hate him.
Crawler. I don't really know him, but he seems like a nice guy. Werewolf? No, I don't think so. There's no such thing as werewolf.
Hi. I'm here to pick up a key.
All right. What's your name?
Raul.
Raul. Let's see. You're a freshman?
Actually, I'm a transfer student.
Oh, well, welcome to campus. Here you are.
All right. Thank you.
It was a nosebleed.
must be Peter. I'm Ra. Ooh. Okay.
So please remember to choose your subject matter with care. It will be the focus for the first 4 weeks of class. Our midterm will be a critique of that painting. This is an advanced painting, so I expect everyone to have
Name?
Raul.
And what year are you, Raul?
Junior.
And where were you on the evening of March 4th? The night that Ruby Ellis was eaten?
March 4th? I don't know. Probably at my house across the country. I just transferred here.
I see. And you are a studio arts major. I hear that you're making a painting of a red moon.
about that?
What inspired you to make such a piece?
Well, I just found it and I've been using the photo as a reference for my painting.
Where'd you find the photo?
I found it on my shoe. It was just on my sticking out on the sole of my shoe.
Interesting. You made any friends yet?
Are we still talking about the picture?
We're talking about you. Do you have friends? People that you trust, spend time with, confide in?
Honestly, I'm trying to graduate. The whole friend thing is whatever.
It's whatever.
Yeah, I don't know. Campus is really tense right now with everything that's going on, and I should rather keep to myself and stay neutral.
Can anyone really be neutral?
What do you mean?
Do you like meat?
What?
Do you eat meat? Do you like it?
No, I'm a vegetarian. I haven't eaten meat since a long time.
An herbivore. Good. Good for you. They have meat in the dining hall?
Yeah? I mean, there's this thing that I've heard called Burger Day.
That's right. Burger Day. I heard the kids were trying to get that banned. What do you think about that?
Well, I think it's insane.
Really? Insane. But you're a vegetarian. Wouldn't you agree on banning meat?
Well, their reasoning for wanting to ban it, it's a joke. I mean, it's not like they're going to achieve some animal rights activists. It's a joke because it's just a myth about banning meat that's been peddling around campus.
You mean the werewolf?
Yeah, that.
You don't believe in werewolves?
Are you serious? Of course I don't. That's insane.
Fair enough. Just answer me this. Have you ever met someone who likes eating raw meat?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
If you sneak around the back of the dining hall, you can find the patties before they're cooked. Raw meat. All right. You can go. Thanks for coming in. Have a good evening, Raul. Can anyone really be neutral?
What do you mean?
Tall, thin outline of a man. Looks frail, but has surprising strength.
Often alone, enjoys meat. Well Crawler is a werewolf.
Interesting. Not bad. You're awake? You should have used a bigger canvas.
Oh, that's the only canvas they had.
Why's the water so blue? That's not accurate.
Just working on it. I'm trying to go for something, sort of surrealist.
I don't know if I would call this surrealist. I mean, I'm no artist, but I look at the top of this painting and it's a naturalist approach, but I look at the bottom and I just think it's very children's book illustration,
Yeah, I'm still working on it. I'm trying to figure things out, try new things. It's still not finished yet.
It's got potential. So where's the photograph?
Photograph?
The one that you've been using as a reference. I'd like it back.
Oh, that's I didn't know that was your picture. I'm sorry. I'm not done with the painting yet. And if I could, still use it as a reference and copy from it.
Copying from a photograph isn't a very surrealist thing to do.
I don't know if I'm trying to be surrealist. I don't even know what I'm trying to do.
Okay. Here's some advice. Use your subconscious imagination or whatever, but give me my photograph back. Thank you.
A tall, thin outline of a man. Looks frail, but has surprising strength. Will Crawler's a werewolf!
What's the deal with
Will Crawler?
What's your deal? Smear it across your forehead. Into your subconscious imagination. am I? Yes.
Hungry, hungry, hungry. We are getting hungry. We want something good to eat. A feast with lots of meat. Hungry, hungry, hungry. We are getting hungry. We want something good to eat. A feast with lots of meat. Hungry, hungry, hungry. We are getting hungry.
Here's how the moon looked. I found this meat camping on the Appalachian Trail. I ate fully, but stored this piece away to share with my brothers.
Hooray!
When can I come back here? What? I can't kill another human. I don't think so. I don't. I'm not. I'm sure. I'm not a wolf. I'm certain. Well, what? No, I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat. A burger?
Sleep well?
Huh?
You used the salve.
Yeah, I did. And gave me a weird dream last night. Here.
Keep it. I have extra. I have a ton, actually.
Take it. I don't think I'm gonna use it again. I don't think I should. Come on, take it. I have to go. God, I'm so hungry.
Today's burger day.
It is? I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat.
Stop trying to pretend you eat anything but meat, okay? It's pathetic and performative and nobody cares. All right? You see this? All mine. Now go get your own stash. You better hurry. Lunch ends in 20.
think we should ban Burger Day.
I agree. Werewolves like meat.
We need to ban Burger Day. How is banning Burger Day gonna bring justice to Ruby?
We shouldn't be serving meat on campus.
I love eating burgers.
I'm vegan.
I love eating burgers. Burgers. Burgers.
You've been in every dream I've had for 13 weeks on end. Never been excited like this. Never had to fight it like this. I think of you almost every night, as if you're my prototype.
I'm a vegetarian.